My name is James Lee. I'm the lead design engineer at RAM. Designers have one of those jobs that if it's done right, you'll never know they exist. It's a constant balance between what complexity are we capable of undertaking, as well as what can we deliver quality and reliably. You're not just making one window, you're making one window that could be for use for a residential application, or it could be for a commercial application, it could be for certain structural applications, or thermal applications. So trying to design one solution that can serve all of those purposes while at the same time not adding complexity for our manufacturing team is kind of my job in a nutshell. What's unique about us is that a lot of times that you have us from the top down. We will be your service team, we'll be your installers, and I think really speaks volumes for kind of what we can do for our customers, kind of be there every step of the way and support them. That's why we want to produce the most high quality, reliable, easy to install, long lasting product that we possibly can at the most affordable, competitive price.